Okay guys, so we are here at SM North Edsa and we are going to have our Oppo F1s phone fixed, and we are looking for the Oppo service center. So there's Clark. Say hi. He's excited. He saw a toy UFO catcher. Okay, okay, let's go. Clarky, balik tayo dyan later. Let's go. Okay, so there are kids going around the UFO catcher. We have to go to the Oppo shop or service center first because we haven't eaten lunch yet. Clark, Chloe, say hello. Clark, say hello. Okay, so there's the Oppo service center. All right. We're at the third floor now, but doesn't. Yeah, really high. Ooh, I might drop the phone. Okay, so what happened is the bottom part of our phone has a bit of crease. So we're going to get back to that later. Okay, the little boy's really excited about playing, so we're going to take this. He's trying already. We'll get back to it later. Okay. So that's the Oppo service center. Okay, sige po. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so what number? Okay, so that's repair. Oh, okay, I'll drop it. So we are at number 14. Okay, guys, so this is what happened with the phone. Okay, so I'm with an attendant right now. And okay, it's out of focus right now. So there's a little crease, like I've said there. There you go. So we are waiting for the attendant to give us an answer if they can still adjust this back inside. Okay, so yeah, we have some candies here. Clark, candy. Give your ate candy also, and give mommy candy. Mom, gusto mo Max? Oh, give Max candy to mommy. Oh, no more. That's for the other people to come here. Okay. Yeah, it's going out of focus. Okay, so we're still waiting again for, well, not again. I mean, again, we're still waiting. One more? That's enough na. Okay, ayan na. Okay. Oh, enough. Okay. Sige po. 100. Okay. Mga 20 to 30 minutes, balikan na lang namin. Tapos, anong... RJ po. RJ? Okay. Sige. Thanks, RJ. Thank you. Okay. What happened? Okay, you got candy in your teeth? Okay. So... Alright, maybe I'm gonna get one for me. One candy, yeah, and those. Okay, so the attendant said that they have a resolve for our phone. Yes, thank you. And we are gonna get back in 20 to 30 minutes. So later, guys. Now we're looking at different variants. Clark is right there. So this is the F3. Yeah, it looks really crisp. That's the specs, guys. 14,990. And what's this? Okay, I don't know why this is taken off, but I don't know what model that is. So this is the A57, 16 MP front camera, 3 gig RAM, 32 gig storage. So yeah, their phones are pretty slick these days. This one is A71. Those are the specs, guys. Okay, so enough of this. We're going to eat. Where are those guys? Okay. Would you look at that? Look, we have cake on our heads. Alright, let's go. Oh, they dropped the candy wrapper. Clark, look at that little Superman. Superboy. Superboy. Chloe. So we're looking for a place to eat, and so saan tayo, ma'am? Okay. So we're eating here at Jollibee. Okay, so we've said our grace, and I ordered, what's this? Burger patty with Shanghai spring rolls and spaghetti. Ate has a burger steak. Yeah, burger steak. Mommy has fried chicken and soup. And well, you know, little kids, they don't eat that much yet. But Clark has guacamole. But he's going to eat soup as well. And Mommy will feed Clark with the fried chicken and rice as well. So we tried the strawberry tea float. So it's not soft drink based, I think. So this is like a tea or strawberry iced tea, and then they just mix it with float. I don't know how that would taste once we get to the sundae or ice cream part. So yeah, later guys, we're just going to eat. Okay guys, so we are done eating. Clark's a mess, and Ate Chloe finished her burger steak. And okay, so look what Clark did here. He used the okay, so he used the peach or the Choco Mallows packaging, like a bracelet. Yeah. Who are you? Spider-Man? Spider-Man ba yan? Hindi yata eh. Okay, so he still has Choco Mallows, or yeah, over his arm. So kala ko Superman ka. Strong ah. Strong. Okay, so yeah. My phone's battery is about to die out. and I guess we'll see you on the next video. We're going back to the Oppo service station. So yeah, I guess we'll see you guys on the next vid. Bye. Clark, say bye.
Bye.
Bye.